Hello and welcome. I am Sam with Eating Clean, Cooking Dirty, and I am here today to give you a little bit of an introduction into the 1-week meal plan that you have opted into. Not only are you getting 1 week of whole nutrient-dense meal plans, but you are also getting the step-by-step prep guide to do it, the itemized grocery list, and your day of instructions. Plus, we've got some really amazing added benefits that you didn't even know you were going to get. You are getting our stocked pantry grocery list so that you can stock your pantry so that you are prepared and ready for the weeks to come. We have our school lunch plan, which is awesome. Get your kids involved or do it yourself, but take your kids' school lunch to the next level without all of the stress. It is going to be fun. It is going to be exciting. We've got some great tools, and I can't wait to share it with you this week. Thank you for joining me, and let's jump right in.